am Allie from Lifehacker, and today we have Prue Leith joining us. If you don't happen to know already, she is a chef, a restaurateur, and a celebrity judge on just a tiny little show you might have heard of called The Great British Bake Off. Thank you so much for joining us.
Ali, it's a pleasure.
So Prue has an update to her autobiography, I'll Try Anything Once, and also Bliss on Toast. So these are very exciting releases to look forward to. What is your favorite low effort, high impact, or like high, I'd say, happiness factor dessert?
Low effort. Do you know, I'd say something like, there's a recipe in here which is not quite well, it is a dessert, but it is a piece of fried brioche.
Ooh, okay.
And on top of it is a fried banana,
okay,
with some toasted hazelnuts and vanilla ice cream and a bit of maple syrup on the top.
That's amazing.
Just so delicious, so delicious. And I should think probably 1,000 calories.
There's a banana. It makes that health food.
All right.
Yeah, I know these things.